Here we want to decide if the segment lengths given form an acute, obtuse, right, or not a triangle. We want to show our work. So the first thing we want to check is, does it even form a triangle or not? Got to check my two smaller ones to make sure that they add up to something larger than the hypotenuse. That one checks out, so it does form a triangle. Little shortcut here. This is a 6, 8, 10, which is actually a scalar multiple of a 3, 4, 5, which happens to be one of our Pythagorean triples and one of the most common right triangles. If you wanted to go through the process, we would just check 6 squared plus 8 squared. Compare that to 10 squared. 6 squared is 36, 8 squared is 64. That adds up to 100. 10 squared is also 100. Those are equal. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Therefore, it's a right triangle.